Hello, Doug. Okay, first thing you want to do is take and get the screw just started into the main body of the plug. Then, depending on what size wire you have, this is 18 gauge. You want it so that when you take and strip it and fold it over, it fits, pretty good. That after we take and put solder on it is going to be fine. If you're using like 22 gauge or whatever, you may have to have three folds in it. Then just make sure it's good and heavily soldered. Then after it cools down, take and slide your rubber case over it if it's single-ended or whatever. Take and put it in. And tighten the screw right down. It'll take and go right into that soft lead with no problem. When you get done, it should be almost flush. Like that. Then take and line up your two holes or whatever. Take and push it. And it slides right together with no problem. What I like about doing it this way and using this particular type is that they're reusable. If you ever want to take and, tear this apart and use it again, you just take the screw out, take it off, and you can take and reuse it. The ones that you solder on or whatever, that pretty much one time does it. The other thing I like about using this particular style or whatever is that there's no exposed metal like there is on the cheap ones that have the little screw that goes in the side to take and hold it together. Uh, they're okay for low voltage, but using it for high voltage or whatever, it's just a shock hazard. And yet this is still made where you can take and, plug another one into the side of it if you want to take and extend it.